the Birdman, Paul's Soul, and some work we've done recently. We started this in January. All of this. All of that. And just around to the macaw on this arm. Excellent. And now, this was a year ago. Oh no, a few years ago.
Yeah,
and this was a few years ago, but all the rest.
Can you do videotaping?
Yes. And over this side. This was also someone else, but I've recoloured it. But that was a few years ago. But otherwise, all the rest, all done. Starting January this year, I believe.
Yeah.
All that under there.
Oh, whoop. See the sunrise, baby. Classic.
And then the macaw again.
Oh my God.
And all this from in 1 year. What a year! What a session! Oh, and the bird on the back of this arm briefly.
That's right. Yeah,
This one.
rosella there.
Yeah. And then
All leaves.
the leaves. Hang on a second, I'll just out of focus. There we go. And there we are. The man himself, the legend.